Hi everyone, this is Wanda from Sam Desire, and today we're going to be making an infinity Kumihimo bracelet. For this bracelet, I already cut my strings. I cut them to be 20 inches, well, 25 inches, and I folded them in half, and I extended one of the strings by, 10 inches though, 10 inches. I have cut 4 strings. When I fold them in half, there will be 8. But before I do that, for us to make our infinity, we need to make a loop. Now I'm making a backward forward knot. Frenchy bracelet loops, especially for Frenchy bracelets, are made of backward forward knots. So the forward part is like you making a 4 and then pulling through the loop. The backward part is you making a D and pulling through the loop like this. Pull up, then make the forward part and pull up. So I'm going to keep making backward forward knots until when I get a size about 1.5 inches. Then I'll stop. So now we're going to fold this in half and make a backward forward knot on over everything together. Please make sure there's no space in between the knot you're currently making and the loop you already made. Now I'm going to put this on my Kumihimo disc. I'll have a link in the description if you would like to buy your Kumihimo disc from Amazon like I did. Since it's an 8 string, I'm just going to put 2 strings on 1 and 2. And I'm going to put 2 strings on 9 and 10. So next one is 9 and 10. After that, I'm going to go to 17 and 18. So this is an 8 string Kumihimo bracelet tutorial. We're only going to be making half of this bracelet now, remember. So getting started, we're going to move 2 down to 15 and take 18 all the way up to 32, turn. Take 10 down to 24 and take 26 up to 8. Turn anti-clockwise. Take 17 down to 31 and take 32 up to 30. I'm sorry, I'm just saying this. Take the top right down, then take the lower left up, then turn. Again, top right down, lower left up, turn. Top right down, lower left up. And since we just have these 3 easy steps, move the top one down, move the lower left up, and then turn. Remember to untangle your string because I always make a mistake with that. You should untangle it after every 2 turns. Yeah, every 2 turns. And that's what we're going to be doing to the rest of the bracelet. And I've reached the size I wanted, which is half of my wrist size. That's 3 inches. From the middle of my wrist to the middle of my wrist. It's just 3 inches though. So I'm going to take this off my disc now and end it. And since it's going to be an infinity bracelet, we're only going to make 1 tie. Normally you would make 2 ties, but we only need 1 tie. So we're going to make a second half of this, or we're going to make another color of this. So make a backward forward knot. Now we're going to make twisted ties. You can make any other ties. My preference is just twisted ties because it's the Kumihimo plus it's easy. So twist each string individually towards the left and then twist them on top of each other towards the right. And now make an overhead knot to end the twisted tie. Overhand knot to end twisted tie. Overhead knot. I don't remember which one it says. I think it's overhand knot though, probably. Anyway, this is what my first half looks like, and it's exactly the size I wanted it to be. So I'm going to make another one with this blue string here. So I've made my second half completely off camera. Oh, I filmed it for a short though. Anyway, so I'm going to insert my blue one into my pink loop like that. Then I'm going to pass my twisted tie into my loop for the blue one into my loop and then pull, and I'm going to keep pull until when I've gotten to the pink loop like that. Then pull the blue loop down the pink loop, and there is what we have. Tiny knots, or the infinity knot, and this is it. Now this is all for this tutorial. If you would like to watch more Kumihimo bracelet tutorials, I'll leave one link in the description and up above. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.